Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Excel tutorial, we are going to learn about sorting within Excel. So on my screen, there is a sample data, dummy data, which we will understand how you can basically sort the data within Excel. Many times when you get huge amount of data or any sort of report, you might be required to sort the data and see as per your needs. Say for example, you want to sort based on the name, based on the month, based on date, or based on color coding. So we will cover all of it in step-by-step tutorials. So sorting is a very basic and very widely used feature of Excel. So let's quickly understand what all different options are there and how you can sort data quickly within Excel. So say for example, this is my sample sheet and I want to sort this sheet based on say country alphabetical order. So what you need to do is you simply click on any of the cell within that particular column, right? So say for example, here I have clicked on USA, and to sort it, here you have this shortcut here, sort and filter. You simply click on it and you can sort from A to Z or Z to A, which is basically alphabetical order, A to Z or Z to A. So it will choose, whether from the lowest to highest or highest to lowest. So say for example, if I say A to Z, you will see it has sorted the whole sheet accordingly based on the alphabetical orders, right? And Excel is smart enough to include all other columns as well. So all of the data will be sorted within this particular sheet. So it doesn't matter. You don't need to choose the whole sheet or whole data there. You can simply say, for example, choose one of the cell, and based on that cell that has been chosen, that row or that column will be sorted and corresponding data will be sorted as well. Say for example, this particular data, right? So let me show you that as well. So say for example, I include M here in all of these in this particular row, right? So I can show you that this actually gets sorted all the way through. Right now I'll simply go ahead and sort it based on the alphabet, right? So alphabetical order. So the product column needs to be sorted. So I'll select this particular cell here or any cell in this particular column and then click on sort A to Z, and you will see it has been sorted based on product and in the alphabetical order, right? So A, C, then M, right? And here you will see this is where I have added M everywhere, and all the corresponding items or corresponding data with this particular row has been sorted accordingly, right? So this proves basically that even though you choose any one particular cell in the column, corresponding data gets sorted automatically. You don't need to basically select the whole set of data and then sort. You can do that and sort it. It will do something similar for you. Okay, if you choose the whole set, by default it defaults to the first sort of column, right? So if I choose the whole table here, it automatically will choose the first column and sort the data accordingly. This is the basic sort feature based on A to Z or Z to A, basically alphabetical order or from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. If we are sorting based on the month number, you will see if I say smallest to largest, so you'll see that the option changed. As soon as it identified that this particular cell is the number, it will change from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest, right? So this is briefly how you will sort. The other option is you simply right click. So click on any of the cell, you right click and you will get sort option there as well. So you have sort A to Z or Z to A, and then there are other options and the custom sort as well. So you can sort based on the color, based on formatting icon, or custom sort. So custom sort we'll cover in detail in the upcoming tutorials, but here I just wanted to give you a brief introduction about the basic sort and what sort features are available, right? The other way or other place where you can get the sort is from the data, right? If you go to the data, you will see that you will get the sort icons there as well, right? So from A to Z, Z to A, and then you have this advanced sort option there available as well. So sort and filter is also available within the data. Okay, so these are three places basically where you can find sort and filter icons or features quickly within Excel. Okay, now going back to the custom sort, right? So there is a custom sort which you can utilize to do sorting in a much efficient way. So if you open custom sort, it will open the sort window wherein you can define which column, based on which column you want to sort, right? Basically, in the same custom sort, in the same window, I can specify whether I want to choose the segment, the country, product column, or date column, or month number, or month name, right? So now the next thing is, what do we want to sort on? So this is basically if we want to sort on the cell values, which is basically month name, and then the order, whether I want it in the ascending order or descending order. If for example I say Z to A, then it will sort based on descending alphabetical order. So you'll see September and then October, right? So I have chosen this month name and alphabetically this is correct, right? So alphabetically this order is not a problem, because alphabetically if we sort from A to Z, you'll see A and then D and then F. So alphabetically these months are correct. But then by sorting for the month, I'll cover that you actually need to do custom sort when you want to sort based on the month, if you want January, February, March, April, something like that, right? But alphabetically, this is basically how you'll use custom sort. Okay, if you open custom sort, then I can choose any other details as well. Say for example country, and then I want to sort by color. So say for example I have certain colors here, so I have filled some of the cells with certain colors. Okay, and then I want to sort some of the cells based on that specific color. Okay, so I can simply go ahead and sort and filter in the custom sort, and then the cell which contains, or column which contains the color is product. I can simply choose product, and then here I can choose sort on cell color, and I have to choose the color, right? So there are two colors that have been identified. I want to have yellow at the top. I choose the order and then choose where I want to have this color. So I can choose either bottom or top. Let me keep it as top, and then click OK. And you will see the whole sheet has been sorted based on that particular color, right? I can also do or add another level, right? So I can add another level by clicking on this add level plus, and then I'll again say sort by product and by cell color. And in this one, you choose the next color, right? And keep it on the top. So first it will sort by this yellow color, then it will sort by the blue color, and will keep the cells or the rows with the blue color cell next to the yellow color. Okay, so if I click OK, you will see first it is yellow and then the blue. So you can sort by color easily using custom sort. Okay, so this is briefly about the sort introduction in Excel and what all different options are available. I have briefly covered about the custom sort. I'll cover the sort for months, dates, and color in more detail in upcoming tutorials. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.